Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda CRV. We're talking about that generation here from year 2012 to year 2016. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the fog lights is located, which fuse you need to check, where to buy cheap fuses and relays that way don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So, before we guys start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you have that generation Honda CRV from year 2012 to year 2016, we will make a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do that? To save you time and money. Let's say you need a fuel pump relay, fuse, heated seats, anything like that guys, ignition coils, mass airflow sensor. All you have to do is just search for it, find it, look for a second, see where it's located, fix your problem. Because in the manual often even the fuses are abbreviated and they're very vague and you may not know what it means guys. But something else guys, here at the garage we're constantly working on things, constantly fixing things. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have over 1.2 million subscribers guys. We have videos that help more than 350 million people guys. So subscribe, check it out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now another thing guys, let us show you something. That Honda has some special fuses guys. But even if you need to buy any fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping guys, okay, anything, you can see you have different kinds of relays, special fuses here, okay, those are multi-block fuses. Like this one is 11 fuses integrated in ones. That's what they look like. Let us show you quick. That's the side view, 11 individual fuses in one. This is the top view guys of the fuses. You can see right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping as well. So let's start on it now. So, fog lights fuse, let's explain where it's located on a 2015 Honda CRV. You guys have, okay, two different fuse boxes. We'll be working both of them today. The first fuse box is located on the inside, okay. If we come, one second, under the dash on the driver's side, look all the way under the dash guys there, above the pedals. Okay, you will see on the left side a fuse box layout that will look just like this one right here. Before we guys continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here we'll need to check guys one fuse and we need to go to a different fuse box, so make sure to stay until the end. And we're talking about fuse number 37, okay, that's the main fuse for the fog lights, but you have another one, two more that you need to check. Under the hood, open the hood, that's the main engine management fuse box. Open that cover, you will see that fuse box layout. Now here guys, okay, that's the front of the Honda CRV. This is towards the windshield side. Here we'll need to check two fuses, okay, specifically. And we're talking about fuse number 12, right here. You will need to check this fuse as well. Main fuse for fog lights. And one is for left, one is for right side. And you will need to check guys, okay, one more fuse, and it's part of a special fuse that's known as a multi-block fuse. That fuse right here that consists of 11 individual fuses. That's the side view of that fuse. Bad news, if one of them burns, you have to replace the whole fuse box. Good news, we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from at a good price and quick shipping, so you don't waste your money. And here you start counting 1, 2, 3, 4. That 30 amp fuse, okay, will need to be checked as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.